Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rider Pro channel. Today we've got something special. The brand new 2026 Zündapp GTS50, a modern take on a classic nameplate that promises retro style, city agility, and fun riding. Stick around and we'll dive into everything from design and engine to ride, feel, and user. Takeaway: the name Zündapp has roots in German two-wheelers. With the GTS50, Zündapp brings back the spirit of the small-capacity touring sport. Bikes for a new era. Although the 2026 model is more of a revival than a straight follow-up of the original 1970s-80s machines, the intent is the same: lightweight, nimble, stylish commuting with personality. Design and styling. Let's talk design. The GTS50 blends vintage cues with modern touches. You'll immediately notice the retro silhouette, compact frame, simple tank shape, classic round headlamp. But there's also modern lighting, updated paint finishes, and components that feel current. The riding stance is upright and relaxed, inviting city maneuvering and casual cruising rather than all-out sport. Color palettes lean into heritage. Think deep metallics, contrast pinstriping, retro badgework, engine and performance. Under the stylish skin is a 49.9cc single-cylinder 2-stroke, or possibly a modern equivalent, engine. At least that's the spec of earlier GTS50 versions. So we expect the 2026 model to honor that tradition. The original GTS50 made around 2.9 PS and ran a 4 or 5-speed gearbox. Wikipedia. While we don't yet have confirmed official numbers for the 2026 variant, what we do know is this is built for city slickness, not highway blasting. Expect quick throttle response, lightweight, easy maneuvering. That makes it perfect for urban roads, tight turns, and fun short rides. Chassis, suspension, and brakes. The GTS50's original versions featured telescopic front forks, hydraulic rear shocks, and drum brakes, front and rear 150mm. For 2026, we anticipate updated hardware, likely disc brakes, maybe upgraded suspension, and improved tire wheel spec to match modern standards. The goal is a stable yet light framework, ideal for quick starts, smooth city surfaces, and easy handling for newer riders or those wanting style over raw power. Practicality and features. Let's look at everyday usability. The GTS50 is small, light, and compact, making parking and weaving through traffic a breeze. Seat height is relatively low. Earlier models sat around 768mm, so it's accessible for many riders. The fuel tank of early versions held about 13.5 liters, so expect a respectable range from a small capacity engine. Features on a 2026 model might include modern touches like LED lighting, USB charging port, perhaps even a digital analog dash. Again, this is speculation until official data comes out. But the theme is clear: vintage look, modern convenience, ride, experience, and target rider. Now, how does it ride? If you're hopping on this bike for the first